Good evening and welcome back, students, for the discussion of some important questions from arithmetic means. Hope you all must have done question number 1, 2 from this sheet, like insert 6 arithmetic means between 3 and 24. So first we will discuss the solution of these questions to check whether you have done them correctly or not. We have to insert 6 arithmetic means between 3 and 24. So you have taken them A1, A2 up to A6, and first being 3 and 24. So there are 6 arithmetic means between 3 and 24. Between 3 and 24, we have to insert 6 arithmetic means, assuming that A1, A2 up to A6 are the 6 arithmetic means. So these 8 terms are in AP. 8th term will be 24 and the first term is 3. And total number of terms in this series is also 8. So if we use the formula for 8th term, a plus n minus 1 into d equals to 24, value of a is 3 plus 7d equals to 24. It implies 7d equals to 24 minus 3, 21, and it implies d equals to 3. So when we find the common difference 3, now it is very easy to find the next 6 terms, which are the 6 arithmetic means. First being a plus d, 3 plus 3, 6. Second is 6 plus 3, 9. Third is a3 equals to 9 plus 3, 12. Fourth, a4 is 12 plus 3, 15. Fifth, a5 is 15 plus 3, 18. Sixth, a6 is 18 plus 3, 21. So these 6 are the arithmetic means between 3 and 24. And similarly, you have obtained the 4 AMs between 1 by 2 and 3. Fourth term is 3. 4 AMs are there. So including half and 3, there will be 6 terms. N equals to 6, A equals to half. Fourth term, sixth term, A plus 5D equals to 3. And if you use half, 3 minus half, 5 by 2. So 5D equals to 5 by 2 and D will be half. Means the next terms, A1 equals to, A terms are half plus half, 1, then 3 by 2 on adding half, and next 2, next is 5 by 2 are the 4 arithmetic means. Hope you have obtained the same answers. Next question, question number 3. Between 1 and 31, m AMs are inserted in such a way that the ratio of 7th term and m minus 1th term is 5:9. Find the value of m. Okay, between 1 and 31, m AMs are inserted. Okay, between between 1 and 31, m AMs are inserted. Okay. Between 1 and 31, m AMs are inserted means first is A1, second is A2, and so on up to mth AM is AM. And between them, when MAMs are inserted, how many terms will be in AP including these two? Means 1 and 31. How many terms are there in all, including these two terms of AP? So we find 1, 31 means 2, and MAMs means M. So M plus 2. So the total number of terms will be M plus 2. So the total number of terms will be M plus 2. Number of terms is M plus 2. First term is 1 and M plus 2th term is 31. So when we use the formula for nth term of AP, in place of n it is M plus 2 minus 1 into D equals to 31. And A means first term of this AP is 1 plus M plus 2 minus 1 will be M plus 1 into D equals to 31. It implies if we transfer this 1 to the next side, M plus 1 into D equals to 30. It implies D equals to 30 upon M plus 1. So common difference is 30 upon M plus 1. And the first AM, A1 is A plus D. A is 1 and D is 30 upon M plus 1. So when we further read the next line of the question, the ratio of 7th term, 7th AM actually, and the M minus 1th AM. Okay. So what will be the 7th AM and M minus 1th AM? First we have to find them. The 7th AM and M minus 1th AM. 7th AM, A7 will be given by A plus 7D. This is not the 7th term, it is 7th AM, where A is 1 and D is 30 upon M plus 1. So we write M plus 1 plus 7 3s are 21, 210 over M plus 1, which is equal to M plus 211 over M plus 1, and the M minus 1th AM as given that the ratio of 7th term and M minus 1th term means ratio of 7th AM and M minus 1th AM. So what will be the ratio? M minus 1th. First we find the M minus 1th AM, which is A plus M minus 1 into D. When there is first AM, we have to write D. When there is second AM, we have to write A plus 2D, though we are not requiring them. But I have discussed it to explain that how A7 becomes A plus 7D. This is not the formula for nth term of AP. This is the 7th AM only. And the M minus 1th AM will be obtained by A plus M minus 1 into D simply, where A is 1 and plus M minus 1 into D is 30 upon M plus 1. So when we write the denominator M plus 1, it is M plus 1 plus, open the bracket, 30M minus 30 equals to 31M minus 29 over M plus 1. And when we find the ratio A7 is to AM minus 1, it is equal to, given that the ratio is equal to 5:n. So we use this ratio 5:9. The ratio is 5:9. In place of A7, it will be m plus 211 over m plus 1. And in place of am minus 131, m minus 29 over m plus 1, and it is equal to 5:9. So denominators will be cancelled out. So it is m plus 211 is to 31m minus 29 equals to 5:9. Product of extremes 9 into m plus 211 equals to product of means 5 into 31m minus 29. It implies 9m plus 1899 equals to 155m minus 145. And 155 minus 9, then 146m equals to 1899 plus 145, which becomes 2044. So what will be the value of n? 2044 upon 146. So it is what will be the ratio? 2044 upon 146. Find it. 146 1 ja 146. Remainder 58. 584. Okay, it is 4 584. Yes. So m equals to 14 will be the answer. Hope you have also obtained the same answer. Otherwise, ask me if you have not understood in comment box.